Hello, Southeast Asia. I'm Dr. Mark Bartlett, Vice President of Global Research and Development for Pharmanex. It's an honor to have this opportunity to talk with you about ageLOC Reset and the potential it has to empower all of us. Now, before I begin, I want you to imagine your perfect day. Take a few seconds if you need and really think about it. What would your perfect day look like? My theory is we all share one thing in common. No matter how different our ideas of what a perfect day is, for some of us, a perfect day might be an early morning game of golf. For others, it might be spending the day at the beach, basking in the sun. For me, I'd choose spending time with my grandkids. But I'd wager all of us would love to have one day where we could disconnect completely. No phones, no emails, no messages that have to be attended to immediately, and no video meetings. In other words, no digital distractions. This is somewhat of a paradox because all of us benefit from today's technology. We can conduct business anywhere. We can visit with and actually see our loved ones who live across the globe. And we can watch the latest Hollywood blockbuster on our phones whenever we want. Our yearning to disconnect from the same technology that brings us so many benefits is a natural backlash to our hectic modern lifestyle. We enjoy so many conveniences, so many luxuries that make our lives easier, things that would have been unimaginable just a generation ago. Yet if we're not careful, this always-on modern lifestyle can also have seriously negative impacts on our overall health in a variety of ways. And I'm going to talk about 4 of them right now. First, doesn't it seem harder than ever before to get enough sleep? That's because we're either on our laptops or on our phones way into the wee hours, which is serious because we need quality sleep to not only boost our immunity, but to promote a healthy mental well-being, among so many other beneficial things. Second, we're so busy with work and other obligations that ordering takeout meals is now the norm. The danger with this time-saving convenience is we give up control of what goes into our bodies when we don't cook our food ourselves. Generally speaking, takeout tastes so good because of the hidden sugar and sodium that's been added, amounts we'd never use if we were making these meals ourselves. And excess sodium and sugar can cause inflammation, which can then cause a plethora of serious health issues. Third, am I right when I say we're sitting at our desks or at our kitchen tables for far too long? Since exercise is an essential part of keeping our bodies and brains functioning as they should, this is a major concern. Fourth is stress. For a variety of reasons, many of us are feeling stressed and run down. In fact, a recent survey showed people continue to report high levels of stress and say it's increased over the past year. Furthermore, 6 out of 10 workers in major global economies are experiencing more workplace stress. This is concerning because chronic stress poses a threat to our overall health by disrupting our body's biochemical processes, such as our respiratory, cardiovascular, and digestive systems, to name only 3 of them. Stress also affects the economy. According to the World Health Organization, depression, which is another side effect, is one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. Added together, not getting enough restorative sleep, eating too much takeout, working too much, and experiencing chronic stress can negatively impact our overall well-being, or, more precisely, our body chemistry. In fact, an important study in 2019 revealed that only 1 in 8 adults has a healthy body chemistry. Let that number sink in. 1 out of 8. Let me take a minute so I can explain what body chemistry is. Body chemistry is how your body interacts with all your lifestyle and includes a full range of biochemical processes that affect every part of your body. It's basically a snapshot or a measurement of how well your body is functioning. At this point, my hope is I've inspired you to try to improve your body chemistry. The good news is improving the body's biochemical processes is an achievable goal. That's because every positive lifestyle choice makes a positive impact. This means when we consistently replace unhealthy habits with healthy ones, getting enough rest, eating well, which means eating lots of fruits and vegetables, moving more, mitigating stress, we get closer to the goal of being healthy. And here's some good news. AgeLock Reset is here to help with the effects of your modern lifestyle. This means when you add it to your healthy choices, the effects on your body's biochemistry are even better with bonus benefits. Are you ready to hear everything that AgeLock Reset can do? Here we go. Taken daily, this super supplement helps support healthy well-being and your body's internal biochemical processes. It helps provide a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. In addition, it helps improve the antioxidant defense system, reducing oxidative stress in the body. 7 years of our own proprietary research that's been validated within the scientific community, helped us identify the specific formula needed to effectively target the sources of body's internal biochemical processes. We first learned about anthocyanins and the amazing health benefits they offer. These compounds are actually the pigments that give dark red and purple fruit, vegetables, and grains their color. All anthocyanins offer potent antioxidant protection, but some go on to provide many health benefits as well. Obviously, eating anthocyanins is a smart thing to do, but unfortunately, most of us don't get enough in our diets alone. The average global consumption is just 25 milligrams. This is what motivated my colleagues and me in our scientific quest. We wanted to identify the exact type and amount of anthocyanins to provide a wide range of health benefits, and we were successful. These 3 superfoods, black currants, bilberries, and black rice, contain the potent anthocyanins that we were after. Further study helped us land on the formula that's creating such excitement within the nutrition science world. AgeLock Reset provides 215 milligrams of a specialized anthocyanin blend for robust health support. That's 8 times more anthocyanins than we normally consume. With AgeLock Reset, you're in a great position to make a positive impact on your life and the lives of others, and the timing couldn't be better. If the last couple of years have taught us anything at all, it's that we need to take better care of ourselves by making healthy lifestyle choices. And people everywhere want to get healthier and become more resilient, so they're seeking real insight and solutions. As they learn more about the body's biochemistry, they will recognize the transformative power of AgeLock Reset. We're at an important crossroads, my friends, where perceptions of health, nutrition, and lifestyle are evolving. AgeLock Reset lets you empower your health as well as the health of others by supporting positive lifestyle choices. And I can't think of a more uplifting message. Thank you.